So this is my Tamiya Tiger I. This is the box. I'll show you. I never show how I tend to build them, but hopefully I can show you how I've gone around painting it and weathering it. It's quite straightforward. The paint job's a little bit more complicated than I normally do, but hopefully you'll see the different steps that I went through, and maybe have a go or just modify what I do, change it a little bit. And the main thing is that you enjoy yourself. Cheers. So I've just got to the stage where I think I've finished painting. There is a slight blue sort of hue to some of it. I don't think you can tell so much. Well, I'm not sure on the camera. It's looking all right. I can see sort of faded bit. I wanted sort of that rough sort of paint work, really being beaten up and really sort of distressed. And I suppose see little bits of white camo sort of peeling off in the sort of corners. I have taken the idea from someone I follow from the Southeast Asia. I'll put a link for the way he's done it. He's done it slightly different. I've sort of changed it a little bit, but I'm generally following his basic principles and having a go. So yeah, hopefully you sort of like it. The next thing, I'm going to put a clear coat on to protect everything, and I think again everything will sort of change, colours will change. So I have noticed as well, I forgot to put the brackets on. And then it'll be sort of doing a lot of sort of weathering. Well, when I say weathering, some oil and some pigment work, and I've still got to do the tracks. So I hope you like it, and let's get on to the next step. So next thing's the tracks. I've had a little go already on those, so I'll show you how I did that. So I'm going to be using MIG products mainly. So I've got some track rust, some gunmetal, although you could use acrylic paint. It's a dry brush, and I've got some more pigment, Russian earth. And with the Russian earth and with some enamel, I've sort of made a bit of a pigment sealer thing, fixer sort of thing, maybe a panel washy thing. So let's have a go and see how we sort of get on. The first thing, put on the track rust pigment. I'm doing it over a box, so it's just a bit easier to keep catching it. As you can see, it's starting to sort of come together. And the next thing, so I get that sort of Russian sort of wash. Just go along the tops, just like sort of with capillary, just go in really, just like flow. And then I let that dry, and then we'll do the next bit. Then with some gunmetal pigment, just this stuff. You could dry brush, just gently rub it over. So I think I'm going to call this one done. Could go on forever really, couldn't you really, with them, but I've sort of had enough and I want to move on to something else. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you could like and subscribe to my channel and save any videos, it sort of all helps. If you've got any comments, let me know. I'll leave you with some photographs now.